Have you ever wondered what inspired action is? Have you heard about inspired action? Well, that's what we're talking about in today's video. Hello, my powerful creators. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Candice. Thank you so much for being here today. On this channel, I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and we talk about law of attraction, manifestation, and personal development, while encouraging ourselves and encouraging others. In today's video, we are talking about inspired action, what it is and how to use it, and when to know when to take inspired action. Inspired action is activated from internal nudges or voices. Inspired action is your inner voice telling you to do something that ultimately directs you in the most perfect direction, aligning with your desires and your manifestations. I have a small example of inspired action. So I was going to an event and my friend had called me and said, hey, you should come to this event with me. So she sends me the invite for the address, and all I do is look at the address on the invite. And I'm getting dressed and I'm putting on a black dress, and something in me says, wear the white dress. Wear the white dress. So I decide to wear the white dress. And I get to the party without even knowing it. Everyone is wearing white because it's an all-white party. The inner voice was telling me to do something, so I took inspired action and did it. And then end up at the party with the right attire on. That's on a smaller scale, but inspired action is all about listening to your inner voice. You have to develop skills within you that tell you when to do something and when to not do something. You can build your inner voice by meditating, by praying, by getting alignment with the universe. So meditate, pray regularly, do your affirmations, because this is going to equip the inner voice to start working within you and giving you knowledge when to take inspired action and when to not take inspired action. Here's another example of inspired action. Let's say you want to be an interior designer. That is your ultimate goal in life. You want to be known for doing all the decor of a room or a museum, things like that. You want to be an interior designer. So one day you come home from work and maybe your job has nothing to do with interior design. But you come home from work and you're extremely tired. You have a friend who calls you up and says, I just got invited to a party and it's in your industry. I'm not sure if you would want to come. I know you have long days at work, but I wanted to invite you. Even though you're tired, something in your inner spirit says you should go to that party. You never know what can happen. So you take inspired action by going to the party. And a lot of times when we take inspired action, we are led in the direction of our manifestation. So maybe you go to that party and you meet someone who is an interior designer, or who knows an interior designer, who knows people in the industry who can help you out and direct you in the direction of your manifestation. That happens a lot. I know you guys have examples, and go ahead and comment those examples now. If you have inspired action right now to subscribe to this channel, I suggest you do it. Okay, so I want you to really get this part with all that we've talked about. When the law of attraction knows exactly what you desire, that's when the inner voice is activated, equipping you to know when to take inspired action. So get in your spot, in your place, where you visualize, you meditate, you do it all. Go in that corner, or wherever that is in your place, and write down exactly what you desire in life. What do you want in life? Ask yourself today, if I can pick anything in life, what is it that I want? When we get clear with the law of attraction on what we desire in life, that's when the inner voice is activated and it starts equipping us to know exactly when to take inspired action. It starts with the desire. Then it's all gonna be activated. Remember to always believe in miracles and divine guidance and divine timing. Believe that something beautiful is about to happen to you. It's coming to you soon. So believe that for yourself. When you start believing that alongside of knowing what you desire in life, you are going to see and feel that inspired action, that inner voice working together, equipping you to do amazing things in life. And I strongly believe that for you. Thank you all for watching today's video. I hope you feel inspired. Inspired to take action, inspired to not take action. Know the difference and know when to do what's best for you. And hit that subscribe button if you would want to be a part of the Powerful Creators community, where we talk about all these things and develop ourselves and take inspired action. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for daily affirmations, giving you encouragement every single day of your week. I love you all so much, and I'm praying for you, and I am so inspired by you. Love you. Have a great day.